Good morning, children. Sairam. I hope you all are fine at your home, isn't it? Yes? So, shall we move today's class? Yes? Active English. Today, what we are going to see? Active English, chapter number 10 and 13. Okay, children? Chapter number 10 and 13. So, we are going to use are there. We are going to use, what is the first word? Are there. We are going to use this word to form a question. Okay, children? And we are going to use there are not. There are not to answer the question. There are, or if the answer is yes, what you will answer? Yes, there are. If the answer is no, then what will you answer? No, there are not. So using these words we are going to make questions and answers. Okay, children? So see the first one. First question. Are there any desks in your classroom? Are there any desks in your classroom? Is there any desk in your classroom, children? Yes? Yes. Using these desks, you will be writing your notes, isn't it? So, what will be the answer? Yes. So, how will you answer? Yes, there are. Yes, there are. There are some desks. Yes, there are. There are some desks. Okay, children, there are some desks. So, what is the question? Are there any desks in your classroom? Yes, of course, isn't it? Yes, there are. There are some desks. Okay, children. The next one. Are there any windows in your classroom? Are there any windows in your classroom, children? Did you see? Yes. Yes, there are. So the answer will be yes, there are. There are some windows. Yes, there are. There are some windows. Okay, children, is it clear? If the answer is yes, you have to answer yes, there are. If the answer is no, you have to answer no, there are not. Okay, children, based on the questions, you have to answer. Okay, children, see the third question. Are there any horses in your classroom? Did you see any horses in your classroom, children? Yes? No. So, what will be your answer? No, there are not. No, there are not. So, there are not any horses. There are not any horses. Okay, children, are there any horses in your classroom? No, there are not. There are not any horses. Okay, children, based on the questions, you are going to answer. If the answer is yes, you have to answer like yes, there are. If the answer is no, you have to answer no, there are not. Okay, children? See the next one. Are there any children in your classroom? Yes, children? Yes, so many friends are there in your classroom, isn't it? So, what will be your answer? Yes. Yes, there are. Yes, there are. There are some children. There are some children. Are there any children in your classroom? So, the answer will be yes, there are. There are some children. Okay, children, is it all clear? So, based on the question, you have to answer. If the answer is yes, then you will be answering yes, there are. If the answer is no, then you will be answering no, there are not. Okay, children, is it all clear? Yes. So, try to do the remaining sentences. Okay, children, is it very easy, isn't it? So, try to complete the remaining questions. Okay, children? See the next one. Write the questions and the answers. So, we are going to make questions and we have to answer the questions. Okay, children? Write the questions and the answers based on the words they have given. Based on the words they have given. So, what is the first word they are given? Books. What is the first word? Books. See the picture. Can you see any picture? Sorry, any book on the table? Can you see any book on the table? Yes? Yes. How many books are there? How many books are there? There are 1, 2, 3. There are 3 books are there. So, what will be your question? How do you ask? So, are there any books on the table? Are there any books on the table? Are there any books on the table? So, how will you answer this question? Are there any books on the table? Did you see any books on the table? Yes, isn't it? So, what will be your answer? Yes, there are. First, what you should answer? Yes, there are. How many books are there? So, there are 3 books on the table. There are 3 books on the table. Okay, children, in the first sentence, you will say yes or no. Then, you will say how many items are there on the table. Okay, children. So, how do you make question? For the word books, are there any books on the table? Then, how do you answer? Yes, there are. Yes, there are. There are 3 books on the table. There are 3 books on the table. Okay, children? Can you understand? Shall we see the next one? Yes. The next word is shoes. What is the next word? Shoes. See the picture? Can you see any shoes on the table? Yes? Any shoes on the table? No. No, isn't it? So, how do you form the question? Based on the word shoes. So, are there any shoes on the table? Are there any shoes on the table? So, how will you answer? First, you should answer yes or no. Is there any shoe on the table? No, isn't it? So, how do you answer? No, there are not. No, there are not. There are not any shoes on the table. No, there are not. There are not any shoes on the table. Okay, children, is it clear? How to frame the question and how to answer the question. Okay, children, based on the words they have given. Okay, children, shall we see the next word? What is the next word? It is boxes. Boxes. Do you see any boxes on the table? See the picture. Do you see any boxes on the table? Yes. Yes, there are. This one and this one, isn't it? So, how to frame the question? Are there any boxes on the table? Are there any boxes on the table? So, how to answer? First, you should answer yes or no. Yes or no? Yes. Yes, there are. If the answer is yes, yes, there are. If the answer is no, then you should answer no, there are not. Okay, children? So, are there any boxes on the table? Yes, isn't it? So, yes, there are. How many boxes are there? There are 1, 2. 2 boxes are there. So, there are 2 boxes on the table. There are 2 boxes on the table. Is it clear, children? Yes? Can you understand? Yes. So, try to finish the remaining words. So, try to frame the questions and answer the questions for the remaining words they have given. Okay, children? So, how to frame the question? Are there any? What item they have given? So, are there any? Boxes means boxes on the table. So, how to answer? If yes is your answer, then you have to answer like yes, there are. If no is your answer, then how to answer? No, there are not. Then only if yes means counter and tell your answer. Okay, children? The next one is chapter number 3. Chapter number 3. See, there are many words, isn't it? Using these words, we are going to frame questions and we are going to answer these questions. Okay, children? So, the first word should be may I. First word should be may I, and the last word should be please. The last word should be please. So, it is somewhat like requesting someone. Okay, children? We are going to requesting someone to do some work. Okay, children? So, see the first one. Write 8 questions and answers. Write 8 questions and answers using the above words. So, first word should be may I and the last word should be please. So, can we frame the question, children? Are you all ready? Yes? Yes. First word should be may I. So, may I open the door, please? May I open the door, please? When you are entering the class, you will be asking your teacher, isn't it? May I come in, ma'am? Yes. Like that, you are going to frame questions here using these words. Okay, children? What will be your first question? May I open the door, please? May I open the door, please? Isn't it? So, what will be the answer? Yes, you may. Yes, you may. When you are asking your teacher, may I come in? What will be your teacher reply? Will reply, yes, you come. Isn't it? So, like that, what will be the answer? Yes, you may. Yes, you may. May I open the door, please? Yes, you may. Okay. Can we make another sentence, the second sentence? Sorry, second question. Yes. So, the first word should be may I. Start with may I. The question should start with may I. So, may I close the door, please? May I close the door, please? May I close the door, please? What will be the answer? The same. Yes, you may. Isn't it? Yes, you may. The next, can you try the next question? Can you try next question? So, the first word should be may I. The question should start with may I. May I, using this window, shall we make? Okay. May I open the window, please? May I open the window, please? Yes? Yes, you may. Okay. The next, can you try one more? Can you try one more, children? Yes. The question should start with may I. May I, using the window. May I close the window, please? May I close the window, please? Is it clear, children? It is very easy, no? Yes? See the first one. May I open the door, please? The answer will be yes, you may. Yes, you may. The second question. May I close the door, please? The answer is yes, you may. Yes, you may. The next one is, may I open the windows, please? May I open the windows, please? The answer will be yes, you may. See the fourth one. May I close the windows, please? Yes, you may. So, try to complete the remaining. So, already we have formed 4 questions answers, isn't it? 4 question and answers. So, you are going to frame the remaining 4 questions. Okay, children? What will be the remaining 4 questions? So, in the first row, we have finished, isn't it? First row, we have finished. So, you are going to use these 4 words to frame 4 questions. The questions should start with may I and ends with please. Okay, children? So, using these 4 words, you are going to form the remaining 4 questions. Okay, children? Similarly, that may I have a sweet, please? May I have a sweet, please? May I have a sweet, please? First one, isn't it? What will be the second? May I take a sweet, please? May I take a sweet, please? Okay, children, like that. The remaining you are going to frame. Okay, children? Is it very easy? Isn't it? It is very easy. So, can you all understand, children? Is it very clear? Yes. So, do the remaining sentences in both the chapters, children. Okay. Stay home. Stay safe. See you in the next class. Thank you, children.